The Redmi Y2, also known as the Redmi S2, is the second generation of Xiaomi's selfie-oriented smartphone. And today I have got the box and I'm going to unbox it. Hey guys, I'm Saurabh from Eastar TV and let's get started. The box comes in a very minimalistic fashion. It is a red box with Xiaomi branding on the top right corner and the Redmi Y2 written in the bottom. On opening the box, we get the phone itself, and beneath the phone, we get another box which contains some documents, including the guarantee card and a transparent silicone case. Below that, we get a 5-volt 2 Ah charger and a micro USB cable. And also, we get the SIM ejector tool. The phone comes with a 5.99-inch HD Plus display with an aspect ratio of 18:9. It has a RAM of 3 GB and internal storage of 32 GB, and it is also available in 4 GB and 64 GB variant. It is powered by Snapdragon 625 processor and it runs on Android 8.1 Oreo with MIUI 9 skin on top of it. This is the grey variant of the phone. It is also available in gold color. It has a 12 plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera with a single LED flash and a 16 megapixel AI powered front camera with a single LED flash. The camera looked good in the initial stages. Sometimes it struggled with the edge detection of portrait mode, but we'll cover that more in our review. The phone also comes with a fingerprint scanner and an IR blaster at the top. That's all for this video guys. If you have liked this video, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe for more. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and I will see you in the next one. Signing off and goodbye.